Hi, it's Anastasia and you are watching Publica's updates in 60 seconds. Exciting news for all Publica supporters! Last week, we launched our Book ICO platform and now every author can start building their own Book ICO campaign. Can't wait to start your Book ICO? Follow the link below to create your account. But first, make sure to check out our tutorial for useful insights. Annie Alexander, a best-selling author and the host of the Crypto Talks podcast, had a great talk with our CEO, Joseph Mark. Click the link in the description to watch the interview. Did you know that Publica's website launched on August 8, exactly a year ago? In its first year, Publica successfully closed its ICO, developed its e-reader app for iOS and Android, opened its online bookstore with some bestsellers, and successfully completed the first ever Book ICO. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the updates in the comments, and see you!